Very welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a toy review of Jurassic World minis with a mock that I made. As you can see, I have two Ankylosaurus, a Petasaurus and two Brachiosaurus, and the mock that I made is a watering hole with Lego Classic from the 1980s to the early 1990s, and the Jurassic World minis is from Mattel from 2019 to 2021 blind bag series. As you can see, it's with two Brachiosaurus and the Petasaurus looks like. And also the two Ankylosaurus. Now I'm going to show you the watering hole mock. And I built this off camera, and I used the new Lego Classic blue base plate for this mock. Unfortunately, the Lego Classic from the 1980s to early 1990s did not come in a lot of different colors like you get today. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos. If toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships, my email is in a link in the description box below. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.